There are many best food processors to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best food processors from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the product description for pricing and details. This compact food processor combines powerful performance with convenient storage, making it an excellent choice for everyday meal preparation. Designed to match stylish kitchen appliances, it features a vibrant Empire red finish that adds elegance to any countertop. The processor is easy to operate, with simple controls that help you chop, slice, mix, and puree ingredients effortlessly. Its multi-purpose blade handles a variety of food preparation tasks, while the compact design is perfect for kitchens with limited space. All accessories store neatly inside the bowl, reducing clutter and keeping everything organized. Customers appreciate its reliable performance, strong motor, and convenient size compared to larger models. Whether preparing vegetables, sauces, dips, or light dough, this food processor delivers consistent results while saving time and effort, making a practical addition to any modern kitchen. Benefits: compact, space-saving storage. All accessories fit neatly inside the bowl, making it ideal for smaller kitchens and easy organization. Powerful yet simple operation. Delivers efficient chopping, slicing, and mixing with user-friendly controls for quick everyday food preparation. Number 2. VegNutrix Food Processor and Blender Combo. 88-ounce food chopper, kitchen appliance for meat, vegetable, and dough. This 2-in-1 blender and food processor is designed to simplify everyday cooking while saving valuable kitchen space. Featuring a large 70-ounce glass blender jar and an 88-ounce food processor bowl, it easily handles family meals, baking, and entertaining. The included accessories provide exceptional versatility, with blades for chopping, slicing, shredding, kneading dough, French fry cutting, and blending a variety of ingredients. Simple two-speed controls with a pulse function make operation quick and intuitive, while the built-in safety lock ensures the appliance only runs when properly assembled. Its lightweight motor base is easy to move and store without sacrificing everyday performance. Perfect for smoothies, meal prep, sauces, dough, and more, this affordable all-in-one appliance delivers reliable functionality, generous capacity, and excellent value for home cooks seeking convenience and versatility. Benefits: 2-in-1 kitchen convenience. Combines a high-capacity blender and food processor in one appliance, saving both counter and storage space. Versatile food preparation. Includes multiple blades and attachments for blending, chopping, kneading, slicing, shredding, and French fry cutting. Number 3. Fohir Food Processor 12-cup 2-in-1 feed shoot food chopper and meat grinder, 500-watt motor, BPA-free. The Fohir 12-cup food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to handle everything from everyday meal prep to large family recipes. Its spacious 12-cup bowl and extra-wide feed chute allow you to process more ingredients at once, minimizing the need for pre-cutting. Equipped with 2 speed settings and pulse function, it provides precise control for chopping, blending, mixing, kneading, slicing, shredding, grating, and pureeing. The processor includes multiple interchangeable accessories, including stainless steel and plastic S-blades, a reversible slicing and shredding disc, and additional feed components for a wide range of cooking tasks. BPA-free materials, a dual-lock safety system, anti-slip feet, and overheating protection ensure safe and reliable operation. Dishwasher-safe removable parts make cleanup quick and convenient. Ideal for preparing dough, vegetables, sauces, burgers, salsa, and more, it delivers exceptional versatility and value for modern kitchens. Benefits: large capacity meal preparation. The 12-cup bowl and extra-wide feed chute let you process larger quantities quickly, reducing prep time for family meals and batch cooking. All-in-one kitchen versatility. Multiple interchangeable blades and speed settings allow chopping, slicing, shredding, kneading, mixing, and pureeing with a single appliance. Number 4. RITCH Food Processor with LED Timer, 800W Electric Chopper 2 bowls, 12 cups glass bowl plus 12 cup stainless steel bowl. This 800W food processor is designed to make everyday food preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. Featuring 2 spacious 12-cup bowls, 1 durable glass and 1 stainless steel, it offers the flexibility to prepare vegetables, meats, nuts, sauces, and more without constantly washing the same bowl. Bi-level stainless steel blades ensure even chopping and grinding, while the powerful motor quickly handles a wide variety of ingredients. The pulse function and built-in LED timer provide greater control for achieving the perfect texture. Ideal for meal prep, homemade burgers, baby food, dips, and baking ingredients, this versatile processor saves valuable time in the kitchen. Easy to clean and simple to operate, it combines convenience, power, and versatility, making an excellent addition to any home kitchen. Benefits: dual bowl convenience. Includes both 12-cup glass and stainless steel bowls, allowing separate food preparation for vegetables, meats, and other ingredients while reducing cleanup interruptions. Powerful and precise processing. The 800W motor, bi-level stainless steel blades, pulse control, and LED timer deliver fast, consistent chopping, grinding, and pureeing with greater accuracy. Number 5. Cuisinart Core Custom 4-Cup Mini Chopper. Mini food processor chops and grinds with auto-reversing stainless steel. The Cuisinart Core Custom 4-Cup Mini Chopper is a compact and versatile kitchen companion designed for quick, everyday food preparation. Its powerful motor and auto-reversing smart power blade effortlessly switch between chopping and grinding, making it ideal for vegetables, herbs, spices, nuts, sauces, dressings, and homemade purees. The convenient paddle controls provide simple one-touch operation, while the blade lock system keeps the blade securely in place for safe and easy pouring. With a 4-cup capacity, it is perfectly sized for small batches without taking up valuable counter space. Dishwasher-safe removable parts make cleanup fast and hassle-free, while the durable design ensures reliable performance for daily use. Benefits: compact yet powerful. The 4-cup capacity and auto-reversing smart power blade deliver efficient chopping and grinding while taking up minimal counter space. Quick cleanup and easy operation. Simple paddle controls, a secure blade lock system, and that's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.